Hey everyone, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to repair your Duolingo streak. So without further ado, let's get started. Now here's how you can restore your streak on Duolingo. So first of all, launch your Duolingo app on your Android device. And if you miss a day, Duolingo sometimes show a pop-up offering to restore your streak. This usually appear right after opening the app, so keep an eye out for it. So if you miss only one day, Duolingo might automatically offer a streak quiz if you had one equipped. So as you can see, we have a streak quiz. You save your one-day streak with the streak quiz. So you can refill it again to save your streak next time. If you don't find it, just go to the shop section. You can find this in the shop. So just scroll down until you find streak quiz. This will protect your streak before missing a day. So another thing is to set daily reminders. Enable notifications so you don't forget to practice. Alright, so got it? And that's it. Now you know how to repair your Duolingo streak. So if you have any issues, let us know. Thanks for watching and take care.